Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find saved songs on Snapchat. But before I start with the video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open up your Snapchat app and go to the top right on the sounds. Now if you click on my favorites, you will see all of these sounds you have saved. And to save a sound, basically long hold, click on the heart icon. If you go back to my favorites, it's here. If you want to remove it, long hold again, remove the heart, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you're still having issues, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.